Guys, we got another Kismile air fryer that I want to show you guys. We're gonna do a quick review, and you're gonna love this one because I know I already do. So this is the Kismile transparent glass air fryer. I love these transparent bowl air fryers. I love being able to see what's cooking, how it's cooking. When you get a regular air fryer, you're just shutting that drawer and you're hoping for the best. But with these air fryers, you keep an eye on it the whole way through. Who this air fryer is perfect for? We got some young professionals, students, smaller families. Guys, this is compact design, sits perfectly on the counter right there, and you're good to go. As we take the air fryer out of the box, take all the plastic off, you get to see all the components that come with it. Now, each of these air fryer bowls have a lid that goes on top of them, so you could use it for cooking and for storage. And I dig that about these Kismile air fryers. They both have crisper plates in there. The dual bowl system, one bowl is obviously a lot bigger than the other one. The bigger bowl is 4.5 quarts and the little bowl is 1.8 quarts. That gives you the range of cooking for one or cooking for the whole family. Now, before we get in there and work on our first cook, I want to talk about the innovative design of the lid. Now, this lid fits on the larger bowl, right? Now, of course, it wouldn't fit on the smaller bowl unless the actual air fryer component of the lid pops out. Now, with this lid, it has a little locking lever on the back. You just unlock it, pull it off, and then that air fryer unit sits on top of the little bowl. It's a very cool feature, and it's one that I wasn't expecting, so I dig that. The control panel is easy to use, very intuitive. It has that smart cooking power, 1550 watts, fast and even heating with 4 preset modes, air fry, grill, bake, and roast. Plus you got the full manual controls. And if you need a little bit more temp, you need a little bit more time, there's a plus and minus on there. Pretty simple to use. Start, stop. This interface is just overly simple. Anybody can do it, even your college student that's in the dorm. I got 2 at the dorm, trust me. Sometimes you need simple for them. So with our first cook, we're gonna do what we always do when we get a new air fryer. We're gonna throw some wings in that bad boy. Now, I just got some simple party wings that already been cut up and cleaned up and ready to go. Throwing a little avocado oil in there, little chicken rub, little chicken barbecue rub in there, right? Get it nice and mixed up, tossed up, and coated. In the bigger air frying bowl, we're gonna add that little crisper plate on the bottom, line up our wings real nice, throw that lid on, set the air fryer. It's already set for 400 degrees and 18 minutes, which works just fine for me. Y'all, this is the quietest air fryer I've ever used. It is full bore. I have the microphone as close as I can to this thing. Guys, that's amazingly quiet. Halfway through, it's gonna give you a little beep, a little heads up, and wants you to flip those wings. So, like I said, pretty simple, but you can tell these wings came out perfect. You know your boy had to get a bite even during the middle of all this filming, and they turned out money, okay? I love a good air fried wing, and hey, I know you do too. Now, what I don't normally do, but I had to do with this one, I had some of those little biscuits. I grabbed the little air frying bowl, popped the air fry unit off that lid, and then stuck it on those biscuits. Used that bake function. 375, 15 minutes, and then we got these golden brown and lovely biscuits. Little honey, little butter. You know you're set up right. Y'all, these glass bowls are free from PFAS, BPA, and coatings and plastic odors for cleaner, healthier cooking. And I think we all want that, right? Right. The cool air shielding technology keeps the handle and top heating unit cool to touch and helps reduce the exterior glass temperature for a safer cooking experience. So you know that's cool. Most of the parts on this bad boy are dishwasher safe, except for the heating unit. Of course, you're not throwing that in your dishwasher. And again, it has that non-toxic glass. You're not worrying about all the crud in the actual air fryer. So you can't beat that, y'all. With that 360 transparent glass bowl, it's powered by a carbon heating tube that emits both heat and a gentle amber glow, letting you guys watch your food crisp up in real time. It's a warm cooking view that you're gonna love to watch. For me, watching my food cook up like that, get nice and crispy, you can't beat that. Guys, to sum up this one, this is a cool little air fryer. Like I said, it's perfect for small spaces, for like your dorm, smaller kitchens, smaller families. You're gonna dig it, all right? If you guys wanna get one of these Kismile transparent glass air fryers, links down below. You gotta check this out. And being that we're close to the holidays right now, this is gonna make a perfect gift for the air frying wing lover in your life, just like your boy CJ. But other than that, guys, we're done. Comment down below, tell me the first thing you would make in your Kismile air fryer. But other than that, hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.